Good evening. Accessibility Technology Tools by Ruthie Bass, EDUC 630. There are many technology tools that are accessible. I will only be discussing 5 and then showing you what a few more of them are later at the end of the presentation. The Apple iPad or the iPhone has a zoom feature. Will zoom as high as 500 and as low as 100. Definitely useful for those with any low vision, but also for those with limited visual impairments. It also has the reachability feature, which is great for those who don't have the use of 2 hands. A Windows accessibility feature is mobility. One is eye control. This one is great for those with physical disabilities that find it very difficult to use a mouse or a keyboard. Another feature for Windows is neurodiversity, and this offers the reading view so that students will have less web distractions. It also minimizes what's on the screen so students can stay focused. It's great for students with autism, attention deficit disorder, or all who need assistance focusing. And then there's one from the Google Android OS, the BrailleBack. It's an accessibility service which assists blind users to make great use of Braille services. Those were only 5 different features that are offered, but the Apple iPhone or the iPad has accessibilities for the vision, interaction, as well as hearing, media, and learning. Google's Android OS accessibility features includes many more as well, which Access Help, BrailleBack, and others. Then Windows accessibility, like Apple, they have accessibility tools for vision, hearing, neurodiversity, learning, and mobility. Thank you. Have a great day now. Bye-bye.